Alrighty, found a cool little hike. I'm gonna check out, see what it's all about. Not much about the trail, but a little info. Let's go find out where this goes. Taking you guys along with me on the trip. Alright, I'll check back in a little bit later. Can't really see the rig from here. See the motorhome will by. A couple other rigs heading up. Moving on up. Pretty extreme area here. No idea where we're actually going to. Checking in. No idea. Hoping this heads to the top. Loops around, can't tell where it goes. Beautiful day. Slight breeze makes it a little chilly. The sun is beautiful. Rig way down there. The one to the left of the Class A. Really don't know how I got up here. Not really a trail. So I came up. Go up that way, or I guess that way. Pretty killer views. Road we came in on. I don't know which way to go now. Whew. Really don't know how I got up here. Just kind of made my way. No trails. Maybe some sheep trails. I don't know if there's sheep up here or not. Almost to the top. I really want to see what's on the other side. Hopefully we can see it. Let's get up there. Made it to the top. Well, the top over here. The overlook. Checking in. Came up that wash, explored over there, came down over this way. Our heads up. Wonder if I could get up to the top of that. I doubt it. Crazy view. Barely see the rig down there. Huh. I might have gone the wrong way. See the trail down there? Seems like it might continue up over there more than wherever I came over here. I don't see much of a trail. It's fun though. Bouldering. Just see the tip of our rig out there. Alright. No such thing as a trail for me, huh? Came from way over there, along the rocks, down. Seem to be following the water paths. Wash down over there. Might be sheep trails. I don't know if there's deer out here. Could be deer. Just exploring. Rock. Hopefully another one doesn't fall. Came down this way. Rocks. That's the original trail. Really follow it too well. And heading back out. That was interesting. Not much of a trail once you get up in the hill. I was hoping for a little bit more trail, but kind of thought it might disappear. Went up over that way, came down over that way. Next I might go explore up that way. We shall see. Back to the mom and baby.